You're watching this video because you want to know how to play the guitar and you want to teach yourself. And maybe it's the bass guitar, maybe it's the acoustic guitar, maybe it's the electric guitar. Whatever guitar it is, it doesn't matter. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to push yourself, to teach yourself, to learning the guitar. Okay? One of the greatest instruments in the history of the world. If not, maybe. Yamaha, I know what you're thinking. I know I started on you, but we're not going to go there right now. That's not what we're talking about. We're not talking about the voice. We're talking about the guitar. And these are the top 5 rules I wish I knew before I taught myself how to play guitar. Number 1, don't teach yourself how to play guitar. What do you know? You don't know shit. So in less than 10 minutes, top 5 things to know when learning an instrument, teaching yourself an instrument. And remember, what would we say was number 1? The number 1 thing is don't teach yourself how to play guitar. Point blank from the jump. I love you, cousin, but we can't teach ourselves. So number one, you need to find a teacher. Find a master, find a teacher, call it what you want. Call it a master or a guru or a sensei. I think a master is a good one. You know, you need someone to teach you the instrument, the technique. And even if you can't find someone, you can go to this amazing place that we call YouTube. Yes, you can go to YouTube. That's all you really got to do. Just go there. And here you can find a teacher. You can find a million teachers. In fact, I use YouTube all the time to bring me to my next point here, and that is learning songs. If you want to get really good at guitar, one of the best places to start when it comes to learning the guitar, it's all about learning songs. You gotta learn some songs. Learn as many songs as possible. Okay? And remember, this is how to learn an instrument. This could be any instrument. In order to learn an instrument, you need to find a teacher. You need to read books. You need to study. And number 2, you need to learn songs. Great place to learn songs and to find teachers and study is YouTube. Right here. Learn it on YouTube. Learn it on YouTube. Learn it on YouTube. Okay? I got 6 minutes. Number 3, you need to practice every day, Allen Iverson, for at least 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes. And, you know, it's the accumulation of all of it. It's not just about, 10 minutes on Friday every other week. It's 10 minutes every day. And 10 minutes every day is much better than 60 minutes on a Saturday. And then you come back next Saturday and do it again because it's Saturday. No, literally 10 minutes every day. Okay? Let's try not to run out of room here. Number 4, you need to, I think, like I said earlier, it kind of connects to finding a teacher, but you need to really work on your technique. I think it's important. And technique, you just don't sweat it. There's no other way to get good at something, and that means the fundamentals, right? The scales, the annoying scales, the rudiments, the timing, the metronomes, literally the basics. I'm talking about playing when nothing is going on, not to jump around, but learning songs, it kind of connects with playing songs as well. That's kind of a combo. When you learn the song, you play it. But, one thing that I did so much of in my early career as a musician, trying to master guitar, I did too much of this maybe. And, of course, maybe more of this than anything. And that's going to be writing songs. Writing songs kind of goes with learning songs and playing songs. Because when you learn a song, what's going to happen is you're going to like that arrangement of the song, and something that, Marvin Gaye did might inspire you to write your own song. Not the exact same, but similar. Because you're learning new chords, right? You're learning new rhythms. You're learning new tools, right? Chords are tools for you to write songs. Playing these songs, and you can play these songs with other people, that kind of connects to number 5. I think this is a very solo journey. You're not going to learn songs with other people. You might, if you have cool friends. Maybe they're down to sit around with you. But usually, even when you are learning songs, if you're really going to be playing these songs and learning these songs, your friends have already worked on these songs before you guys come in to jam in the first place, which leads me to number 5. And that is playing with people. Cousin, I can't wait to jam with you, because if you're learning the bass, if you're learning the guitar, if you're learning the drums, it doesn't matter what instrument you're learning, whatever you are learning, if you literally just do these things in terms of 1, finding a teacher, 2, learning the songs, playing the songs, writing the songs, 3, practicing every 10 minutes, 4, technique. This last one is almost the most important. Pardon me. If you actually want to play your instrument and learn your instrument and take it to the maximum level, you need to play with other people. Because playing with other people, you're going to be working on your timing, you're going to be working on your technique, You're probably going to be playing songs that are already out, jamming on those songs, or writing songs. So just to review real quick one more time, what's the most important thing when learning an instrument, being self-taught? Finding a teacher. Find the teacher. Find the guru. Find the master. What's the second most important thing? I think you need to be learning songs, whether they're classical songs, whether they're songs that you love. Write a list of songs that you love and play those songs until you know them. Darn it. I thought I had 16 minutes. And number 3, practice. At least 10 minutes every day. At least 10 minutes every day. At least 10 minutes every day. Practice at least 10 minutes every day. That's the easiest thing that I could say. That's really what's going to take you the furthest, I promise you. Technique. Study technique. Don't just learn songs, actually learn scales, learn intervals, learn harmonics, learn music theory, learn how to read music. That's technique. That'll take you so far. Number 5, play with other people. Subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos. Check out my music videos. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. I'll do more videos like this. Did I leave anything out to teaching someone how to learn an instrument? Put it in the comments. Let me know. Thank you so much for the support. Click on these music videos up here.